Hey, deputy, bring her back in here. Deputy,
Yeah.
you have something you want to say to me?
Not you, no.
You were in my courtroom. I don't.
I was walking away from your courtroom, is what I was doing.
Ma'am?
I'm so tired of this system fucking me over, is what I'm
Case
tired
number
of doing.
25 CR
I really am,
43210, the state of Ohio versus Rebecca Curtis. You are Rebecca Curtis?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Nicholson is here on behalf of the state of Ohio. Can you tell me when she's scheduled to be in front of grand jury?
Her indictment was issued this morning.
She was indicted this morning.
So I do have a copy of that I can serve her with. It is for 2 counts of assault on a police officer, felonies of the 4th degree, the 1 count of obstructing official business, a felony of the 5th degree, a misdemeanor 1 resisting arrest, and a misdemeanor 4 criminal trespass.
Okay.
For the record, she has been handed a copy.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, we do have an arraignment entry if the court wants to arraign her today,
No,
or it's set for next week.
Yeah, she can just wait.
Okay.
Yeah, it's, she was just served, so she's got 24 hours. She might as well just set it for next week. Ms. Curtis, it's somewhat unusual for me to schedule this for hearing. Since I did not set your bond, I did not revoke your bond. Usually I only set these for hearing if I revoked your bond from the lower court. Tell me why I should modify this bond.
Well, I'm just trying to be home for the holidays, really, if I can.
Officer, you have any information about this at all?
You're booked into the jail on the 25th. She'll have 25 days credit. I spoke with her over the phone yesterday and put all that information in the bond report. She provided a Middletown address. She reported she stays there a few days off and on, and then goes and stays at motels often. Reported she's not employed, that she's unable to get employment due to having cirrhosis and her mental health. And then she reported that she's currently in treatment with Butler Behavioral Health for PTSD, battered woman syndrome, human trafficking victim, but I was unable to verify that.
Got quite the record, Miss Curtis. Dating all the way back to 2008. I'm sorry. Goes on. I'm sorry, what keeps going on? 2002. Who do you live with?
My daughter.
The state have a request for bond?
Your Honor, this occurred all 75 back in November. So I don't know if it appeared that she was living there at the time. You know, I know I read in her letter that it indicated that she was in treatment, but alarming that this set of facts occurs while she is in treatment. Additionally, she was sentenced to prison in January for an ILC after an ILC violation, and was released about 4 months prior to this offense. She has a history of community control violations and not following orders given to her by the court. So I think if the court is inclined to release her, I mean, her bond is $100,000, 10%. If the court is inclined to modify that or to release her, we would ask that she be placed on electronically monitored house arrest. It sounds like she doesn't, I don't know how stable her living arrangements are. She does have a lengthy history.
Ms. Curtis, you were granted ILC by me in December of 24, so 1 year ago. Within a few weeks, that you refused to go to the CBCF that I ordered. So I'm guessing you just wanted to continue to use the illegal drugs. So
It's
then
your
I think-
assumption, but I can drop urine and it's clean. I go to.
Well, you've been in jail for the last 30 days. I certainly hope that you'll be clean.
Oh, yes, but I'm saying prior to that, you can
Yeah.
discuss it about the behavior if you need to. I'm still going there. though.
Well, since you're going to be arraigned on Wednesday, at this point in time, the court's not going to modify the current bond order. I'll let the you can make a pitch to the magistrates when they arraign you next week. All right, that's all. Hey, deputy, bring her back in here. Deputy.
Yeah. What is it?
You have something you want to say to me?
Not you? No. No, sir.
You were in my courtroom. I don't.
I was walking away from your courtroom
were
is what I
still-
was doing.
Ma'am?
I'm so tired of this system fucking me over is what I'm tired of doing. I really am, sir. It's not you directly, it's somebody else in this system. I
But when you
appreciate
were-
you, I respect you, but I am not gonna keep letting this shit happen to me. I'm not. And other people. It's not you, it's somebody else in the system. That's all I'm saying. No disrespect to you. Have a nice holiday.
I am disrespected because when you use that kind of language in my courtroom, whether
Well,
you-
when I get mistreated by the system, you'd feel the same way, sir.
All right.
No disrespect to you personally.
but it
It's
is.
somebody else. Thank you, sir. I have a freedom of speech, you know? Like I said, fuck 'em.
This is case number 25CR43210, the state of Ohio versus Rebecca Curtis. Ms. Curtis is before the court with her counsel, Mr. Washington. Ms. Nicholson on behalf of the state of Ohio. The court is in receipt of the report from the Forensic Evaluation Center prepared by Dr. Nichting. The date of the evaluation, February 12th. The date of the report, February 17th, 2026. Has everyone received a copy and had an opportunity to review that report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes,
Do
Your
we have
Honor.
a stipulation to the report?
Yes, Your Honor.
We'll stipulate to the report.
All right, based upon that, the court will make a finding that the defendant is currently incompetent to stand trial, and based upon the report of Dr. Nichting, that she is restorable to competency within the statutory period. The least restrictive placement for the restoration is summit behavioral. Anything else?
Your Honor, I've prepared the entry and put in the language that earlier bed becomes available at Appalachian, she can be transferred there.
That's fine. Yeah, watch it. Basically, if a bedded date becomes available at Appalachian Behavioral, we'll send her there to get it set up. I don't want her just sitting and doing nothing.
Okay.
So the restoration, it just speeds up the restoration process, that's all.
Okay. Thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right, thank you, Mr. Washington.
Now what?
They're gonna take you either to Summit or to the Appalachian place.